Hi, today we're going to be walking you through applying your vinyl decal. First thing you want to do is go ahead and hold it up to the desired place that you want to put it. Take a piece of blue tape, a longer piece for the middle. Next you want to grab your level. Make sure it's straight. Once it's straight, just go ahead and flatten it out. Grab a smaller piece of blue tape, apply it to one side. Grab another piece, about the same size, apply it to the left side. Make sure everything's flat. Now you're going to take a blade and just slice it right at the end of the decal. Once it's sliced, go ahead and pull it and remove the liner from the transfer tape. Make sure your decal comes off onto the transfer tape, and go ahead and tear the liner and put it aside. Now firmly pull it, but not too tight, and bring it to match the smaller blue tape. Now take your squeegee and flatten everything out, get rid of any air bubbles. Take your time with this, but firmly press. Now do the same thing to the other side, but this time remove the longer blue tape. Go ahead and pull it, remove the liner from the transfer tape. Again, be very careful your decal doesn't come off onto the liner. Go ahead and pull firmly, bring it to match the blue tape. Once it's on there, once again, go ahead and take your squeegee and flatten out any air bubbles. Once you flatten out all of the air bubbles, go ahead and carefully remove the transfer tape. Go very slow, make sure everything is on there firmly. And once it's peeled off, go ahead and remove that excess blue tape. And that is how you apply a vinyl decal. Thank you for watching.